Hello everyone, I am Favor Maxine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am excited to share with you the solution my team and I built for the Microsoft RAG hackathon. Okay, so before I talk about JurisSmart, I would like to talk about what RAG is. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So what a RAG model basically does is that it retrieves relevant external documents or data from a knowledge base and uses this information to generate a more accurate informative response. Introducing JurisSmart. JurisSmart is a web application designed to assist users in navigating complex legal matters. So at first I thought about doing something in law, so I reached out to a friend who is currently studying law, and she told me law is so broad and it's best I niche down to a part of law or an area of law at this beginning. So I chose intellectual property law. I niche down to jurisdiction in just the Nigeria, the USA, and the UK for now, and I'm hoping to expand. But this was just is more probably like an MVP. It was built by a dedicated team of 3 members. The problem statement here is that navigating the complexities of legal documentation can be so daunting. If you are creating a business, right, you want to know the copyright. It's a very long document that contains so many info. So it's actually a struggle to find information quickly if you are not studying law. So that's why JurisSmart is coming in. JurisSmart is built by providing AI-generated responses from Azure OpenAI and Azure Cognitive Search based on real legal data. I'll be putting us through a workshop of the demo.
Okay, so right here is the demo of the JurisSmart web application. You can just ask it any question relating to intellectual property and get answer. So let me ask this: how do I register an industrial design in Nigeria? So we can see that we are getting the response and it is bringing it in markdown, and here is also a citation. So to confirm, is this answer we got correct? So we want to click this, right? So when we click this, it's going to take us to okay. It shall contain a request for registration of the design, the applicant's full name and address. So it's giving you exactly what is in it, right? So a request for an application, a specimen. If you check the next, it is also saying a specimen of the design, and everything is right on point. I want to test the question that does not relate to law at all. Okay, so let's say I want to study medicine and surgery in college. What are the basic requirements for admission? Okay, so let's see what we get. So it says the requested information is not available in the retrieved data. Please try another query or topic. So that's it. If you put in a prompt that does not relate to law at all, this is the response you're going to get. And that's because the data source or the database we have doesn't include any of the information relating to any other thing apart from intellectual property law for now. So you can also ask it practical questions. I mean, this is a WhatsApp email. I gave it to my friends to test it out, and this was his prompt. He said he has a personal record label, and a couple of years back, he released a song with a friend, and the fellow artist just recently, without his permission, released a remix of the song, and he earns all the profit alone. The remix even stays on Billboard top notch for weeks. What do I do? You can see the response it gave it. So based on the document review, where the steps you can take, you can evaluate your rights. So I actually used Azure Portal to build the JurisSmart app. Okay, so this is my storage, the Azure Blob storage that I used to store all the PDF. Okay, the next thing I did was that I used the Azure OpenAI resource I have to create the GPT-4o and a test embedding 3 large model. I integrated the Azure Cognitive Search to index legal documents and retrieve relevant information based on user query, because this allows me to perform a semantic search rather than a simple keyword search. This embedding converts textual data into vectors, that's this arrays of numbers, so that machine learning model can process and understand the relationship between different pieces of text. I enable the semantic
You can send in your feedback. Just type in your email, then write your feedback here. Yes, we're also going to get your feedback. And thank you so much. So you can visit our live site at jurismart.azurewebsite.net.